Hi, I'm Anastasia, the dog tooth fairy, and I've just come on today to talk to you all about the Emmy Pet Toothbrush and also the supplementary tools and equipment that can be used alongside the Emmy Pet Toothbrush to get the best results. So first and foremost, your Emmy Pet Toothbrush is your workhorse, so you're really going to have to look after this toothbrush. Okay, it's German manufactured and it's German engineered, so it is a really robust piece of equipment. It's really durable, and it does come with a 2-year warranty as well. So if you buy the product new and you buy it either from Emmi-pet directly or from a reputable distributor like myself, your receipt will activate your 2-year warranty. So it's really important to keep that receipt. You know that it's working when the green light is illuminated like that. It's completely silent, it's completely motionless, it doesn't vibrate, so it's really good for nervous dogs. And that is it when it's working. So you shouldn't see any vibrations or ripples if you were to put it in a glass of water or anything like that. It's completely silent. You get 2 size toothbrush attachments to go onto the device there. So this one here is the larger size. You've also got a smaller size as well. This is a smaller one. So you have 2 toothbrush sizes there. Your bigger one is for your, I would say, medium and large breeds and extra large breeds. So anything from Cocker Spaniel size and upwards, you want to be using this size. Anything from your teacup size dogs, you know, your little Pomeranians, Chihuahuas, Dachshunds, miniature Dachshunds, Shih Tzus, Westies, anything like that you use this size with, okay? Some dog groomers actually like to use a bigger size toothbrush on a smaller breed of dog because they say it covers more surface area, it gets the job done quicker. Personally, I like to use the smaller brush for the smaller dog and the larger brush for the larger dog. They all come with a hygiene cap, so it's important to rinse them thoroughly after use. Remove any toothpaste debris off them and pop the hygiene cap on. That'll stop any dust or debris getting onto the brush head bristles, but it'll also stop these bristles from getting splayed or damaged. And those bristles are really important to the transmission of the ultrasonic waves. So it's really important to keep the hygiene cap on after you've used it and to give it a really good clean. With the Emmy Pet toothbrush, you also get the Emmy Pet toothpaste that comes with the toothbrush. The ingredients are listed on the back of the toothpaste, so if you want to check the ingredients, they are on there. The shelf life of this toothpaste from when you open it is about 9 months, so and a little goes a long way, so it does actually last quite a long time. You only need a pea-size amount applied to the toothbrush. Mix it with lots of water to help create the nano bubbles, which are needed to remove the bacteria from the dog's mouth. So this is your Emmy Pet toothpaste. As you can see, I've already been using mine. But yeah, you only need a pea-size amount with that, so a little goes a long way. When I was using this in my dog grooming salon, I tended to go through 1 tube a month, which I thought was pretty economical. So another product that you can use alongside your Emmy Pet toothbrush sessions to help speed things up and accelerate them is the Orozyme gel. So Orozyme gel is a veterinary enzymic gel, which is has a mild abrasive formula in it. It's quite sticky in texture, so it can be used on the toothbrush to brush the dog's teeth with. It can also just be used as a paste on your finger to apply to the dog's teeth. So it's a great little product to upsell to your clients, get them to take a tube home with them. It gives them a sense of ownership of their dog's dental care routine. And especially if you've got a thick buildup of tartar, it helps to break that down because the mild abrasive formula acts like a polishing agent and it will break the tartar down on the teeth with those little polished textures and the enzymes in the gel. So I'm just going to show you the Orozyme gel. That's what the tube looks like. This is my personal tube, so it's not looking in great shape at the moment. It does have a little applicator on the end of it as well. You can just put a tiny amount onto the finger wearing a glove, and then you can just apply it to the dog's teeth like that. So it's super easy for clients to use that at home. Okay, so you can just apply that with your finger, or you can use it in conjunction with the Emmy Pet Toothbrush as well. But if you've got a dog with plaque and tartar buildup and you want a quicker result, Orozyme is a great product to use. Alongside your Emmy Pet Toothbrush, we have some tools that can be used to remove the plaque and tartar. Those tools being the soft wooden rosewood sticks, and we also have the tartar eraser there. So I'm just going to talk about the two tools, what they're like and how they're used. So the first tool I'm going to talk about is your rosewood sticks. So this is made out of soft rosewood, and when you've done a few sessions with your ultrasonic toothbrush, the tartar will start to shrink away from the gum line. It'll shrink in appearance. Sometimes it becomes looser on the teeth where it's ready to flick away. And all you need to do with your little rosewood stick is get in underneath the tartar and just flick it. Okay, you just flick it away. If it's ready to come away, it'll come away. If it's not ready to come away, just leave it alone. Do some more ultrasonic sessions with lots of paste and water with your ultrasonic toothbrush, and then you can come back, revisit on your next session with the rosewood stick, see if it's ready to come away the next time. Don't force it. With this tool here, we have got the eraser tool. So this is a hand tool, so it's quite confusing because it looks like it fits on the toothbrush, but it's actually a hand tool. It looks a lot meaner than what it actually is. It's quite soft. It feels like a really soft nail file. So if I feel it gently like that, it's got a really like a very soft abrasive texture to it. What we use this for is if we've done a course of Emmy Pet treatments and we get to the end of a course of treatment and we have got a few little stubborn stains of plaque left over on our client's teeth. And what we would then do is, see here, there's a little bit of staining. I'm just going to get this tartar eraser and I'm just going to rub it. Okay, so I'm just doing gentle rubbing motion. I'm not applying much pressure to the teeth at all. I'm just going to rub away the last little stubborn stains. If you think of it as just tickling the teeth, so you're just tickling the teeth lightly with your little eraser there. And that's how you use the eraser hand tool. I would only use that if you're getting right to the end of a course of sessions and there's a few little stubborn stains left over. Your tartar eraser will be no good for thick, heavy tartar, because what will happen is it would just soften the tool, so the abrasiveness would wear away really quickly, and it would just wear down too quickly. So you can use it on the last little stubborn stains. The rosewood sticks are for your heavier, thicker tartar. Another tool that can be used in conjunction with the Emmy Pet Toothbrush is the skin brush. So the skin brush is a circular brush. It attaches onto your Emmy Pet Toothbrush handset, like so. Green light shows that it's working. And what you use is, you can use some Emmi-pet Skin Hydrogel. The gel acts as a conductor with the skin brush there. Make sure that it's turned on. Put your gel on. That's your Emmi-pet Hydrogel there. And then you would apply it to the dog's skin. Just like that. Now, the skin brush can help with skin conditions like mastitis, dermatitis, mild abrasions and cuts. It can take inflammation and swelling out of the dog's gums if you work it from the outside of the dog's muzzle, like that. It's fantastic. It helps stimulate the skin on a cellular level, so it can promote hair follicles and promote hair growth. It can help deep tissue and muscular issues, so if you've got any dogs that have, say, arthritis, any joint, limb mobility issues, the skin brush can be used to help with that as well, because the ultrasonic waves are penetrating down through the tissues. Exactly the same principle as the toothbrush, but it's working on the skin and the tissues instead. Marketing materials, you can get that Emmy Pet dog bowl. I absolutely love this. This used to be my reception area of my grooming business, filled with dog treats, just to catch the clients' attention that little bit more when they came into my salon. I wanted them to know that I was offering Emmy Pet. It's really durable, it's high quality. I've been using this bowl on my dogs for years and it is still as good as the day I bought it. Marketing leaflets, these are fab, so I absolutely love these because it explains everything about Emmy Pet to your clients so that you don't have to. Those work out, I think, about 20 pence per leaflet. They're really cheap to buy, but they are so good because they can convert your clients into Emmy Pet clients just by giving them a leaflet. So every grooming customer that came through my business and went on the grooming table, basically the owners got one of these given to them, whether they liked it or not. It's got a little space there where you can put your business stamp with your contact details on as well, so if you're doing any markets or summer fairs or anything, you can give them away and you can put your details on there. The little Emmy Pet teddy bear. I absolutely love this teddy. He's called Lucky. He's really cute to put on your social media. I used to put mine next to a little pegboard with little marketing messages and things on there. He lived in my reception area of my salon as well. He's really plushy, he's really high quality, so he is brilliant for marketing and just to get your clients talking about the Emmy Pet without too much pressure. If you set up a little marketing area in your pet business, he's a great little marketing toy to have. And then finally there's my dental record cards. I really like these because they just keep all of the records in one place. They make consultation with your clients really easy because you've got a lot of talking points to go over. It has an inbuilt disclaimer in the bottom, which I love, which you get clients to sign. It just covers your backside a little bit more, gives you a bit of protection. It also has a little clause in there where you can use their dog's imagery for social media. Has a little bit on the back for dates and prices of appointments and things, so I love those dental record cards as well.